In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Patreon account. I'll walk you through the official privacy process step by step so you can permanently erase your account the right way. Deleting your account removes your profile and personal data as allowed by law and is generally irreversible. So be sure you don't need anything tied to the account before you begin. Start by going to patreon.com and signing in. Make sure you're logged into the exact account you want to remove. This is easiest on a desktop browser, but the flow is similar on mobile. Once you're on your home page and confirmed you're in the correct profile, you're ready to navigate to the privacy tools. Look toward the left sidebar near the bottom where your profile name appears. Next to your name, click the 3 vertical dots to open a small menu. From that menu, select Privacy Policy. This will take you to Patreon's privacy site, which is where data and account removal requests are handled securely. On the privacy page, click Make a Privacy Request. You'll see several options for managing your data. Choose Erase. This starts the account erasure process, which requests removal of your account and associated personal information. Note that while your profile, memberships, and access to creators' posts will be removed, some limited information may be retained to meet legal or financial obligations. That's normal for most services. You may be prompted to authorize the privacy portal to access your Patreon identity so it can submit the request on your behalf. Click Allow. This authorization confirms the request is genuinely coming from you and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Next, review what's shown on the screen and click Confirm Request. That's the final action. Your request is now submitted. You should see an on-screen confirmation and may also receive an email summarizing your request. Processing can take some time, and depending on your settings, you might be asked to verify your email again. While the request is in progress, avoid signing back in or trying to recreate the account, as that can interfere with the erasure. A few quick reminders before we wrap up. If you need receipts or records for your personal files, it's best to save them before you start this process. Any active memberships or pledges connected to this account will be impacted by deletion, and charges that have already been processed aren't reversed by submitting an erase request. If anything seems unclear, return to the privacy page to check for updates or contact support for help. That's it. Your Patreon account removal request is complete.